Hi everyone and welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. And remember folks, if it's got wheels or wings, you'll find it right here. I'll show you this classic Audi 80 here. A rare spot, don't find many of these around. Very rare. GL Audi 80. Very quality find. I remember one of my neighbours used to have one of these, an Audi 80. I've no idea what I'm looking at folks, but it's a little dinky van. Hey, that's a classic, isn't it? Vitara. I mean, I used to have one of them years ago. Mine weren't a cabriolet version. Mine was a standard. It was a three-door though. Whoa, classic cars. 2.4 litre diesel outlooks. Pickup. Found an old classic Peugeot here, 205 GR. Hey? Seen better days. That's like sort of first car I had, Lewis. Yeah. We had a Citroen actually. That is a classic, a bit battered. Nice. Oh wow guys, I'm in this car park. There's one of these Lotuses here. Wow. How cool do they look? They're really long as well. They're really long. I'm in a car park so I can't really be going up to it and filming it, but yeah. Nice, isn't it? Classic guys. Here's a Citroen. Like what you saw? If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Remember, if it's got wheels or wings, you'll find it right here with Raymondo Lee Motors.